Slay them! Destruction comes! I will end your life. You will serve me someday. The king returns. Wait for it.
Maliken!
The evil flows. I will clear a path. A fitting choice. My demon side demands blood. Bring on any challenge. Mana isn't there yet. I'm ready for battle. My powers run deep. The fallen king serves. Direct me. Shall we go? A long time ago I was like these people. Then I found what real power is. Being possessed isn't as bad as it sounds in the end. Every once in a while my rage is let loose. Be ready for it. Is Jeremiah around here? I have a score to settle with him. I bet I'm even more powerful than you. I merely allow you to direct me, for now. It's the return of the king. Can you take on someone of noble blood? Let's find out.